Hi everyone! Welcome sa first episode ng Brand Talk, kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang mga innovative at inspiring local brands. Ako nga pala si Elmer, your host for today. At today, super excited ako because kasama natin ng inspiring young entrepreneur na si Jamaica Tagoy, ang owner ng Jams Tilapia Processed Product.
Hi Elmer! Hi listeners! Super happy ako ang kasama mo sa first episode ng Brand Talks, and excited din ako na i-share kung paano namin binuo ang Jams Tilapia at paano namin pinapalago ang brand namin.
Wow! So, sa lahat ng listeners dyan, kung gusto nyo ng innovative, halal at locally made food, stay tuned kasi pag-usapan natin ang branding, uniqueness at community branding ng Jams Tilapia. I have few questions for you. So, paano nagsimula ang brand mo and ano yung identity ng Jams Tilapia?
So, yung brand namin, Elmer, it started kasi napansin namin na sobrang limited na pwedeng gawin sa tilapia. Pero napaka-abundant naman ng tilapia sa lugar natin, which is sa Bungabong. Kaya sabi namin, bakit hindi natin i-innovate yung tilapia? And ang identity ng brand namin is all about quality, innovation, and accessibility. We create tilapia longganisa, siomai at lumpia na halal certified, nutritious at affordable.
So, uniqueness talaga ng brand nyo is bringing something new sa tilapia. Healthy, tasty, at accessible sa lahat.
Exactly, Elmer. Lahat ng product namin is carefully prepared at priced fairly. Katulad nung longganisa namin, 300 grams for only 120 pesos. Saan ka ba makakakita nun, di ba? And we have a slogan which is sulit sa lasa, sulit sa presyo, sarap na, halal pa.
Wow, may pa-slogan pa talaga sila. Very catchy. Iba talaga pag may clear branding at identity. Siyempre, Jam, sino ba ang target market ng brand mo at paano nyo ipapakita yung identity sa kanila?
We target students, working professionals, at local families. Pero more than that kasi, gusto namin maramdaman ng customers yung identity ng brand namin na Jams Tilapia, na kung saan Jams Tilapia is innovative, trustworthy, at community focused.
Okay, so paano nyo ipapapil yun sa kanila?
Siyempre, through social media, local events, at collaborations, katulad ng ginagawa ng mga ibang brand, and we share behind the scenes videos, recipes at tips sa healthy living. Parang hindi lang sila customers, kundi part sila ng Jams Tilapia community.
Ang ganda, very transparent ka pala sa mga consumer mo, no? So, bago natin na-end ang episode na to, baka may gusto kang iwan na message or ulitin yung slogan para sa mga listeners natin.
Yes, Elmer. Ito yung slogan na sinabi ko rin kanina, sulit sa lasa, sulit sa presyo, sarap na, halal pa.
Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo ng healthy, innovative, at locally made tilapia products, support Jams Tilapia Processed Product.
Right na right. So, eat smart, support local, and enjoy every bite.
This has been Brand Talk Episode 1 featuring Jams Tilapia Processed Product. See you for next episode. Bye!